Hello YouTube users, this is Minecraft Gal 707 bringing you another Minecraft video. Now, it's not really a tutorial or a question answering thing. It's just one of those things where I want to show you something. I just exit out here. And, hold on. Minecraft is a little laggy right now. My computer. I just turn it to morning. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my first pet bunny. And I'll take care of you. If those, I have the tech pack, which has like a whole bunch of mods in it. One of those involves no creatures. That's why there's so many animals around. Now I'm going to search for a pet little bunny for the great expedition. And some of you may be asking, like, well, if you have a pet bunny, how do you tame and breed them? Well, you don't necessarily, use a bunny, but it's white. Want to see if I can find? Okay, never mind. Hi, bunnies. See, you don't tame them. What you do is, or breed them, you right click, and look, you look up, and it's on your head. It turns into a hat, but it's still live. See how it's all looking around like that? Well, and how they breed and produce offspring is basically you just keep them in a small room. You don't have to feed them anything, do anything with them. They just create more offspring. But I know you have to at least have 2 for the process to work. Of course, but yeah, I'm gonna speed. I'm gonna treat this bunny with care. So yeah. Right now I already made like a sweet house for it, cause I'm going to name you. What are we gonna name you? Mr. Sniffles. I'm going to name you Mr. Sniffles. So here's my house. I'm still working on it. Here's the backyard. And my dog. See, where's my dog? There's my dog. See, here's the, there's my dog. And there's his dog else. Here's my pet bunny, Mr. Sniffles. Here's its place. Apparently I care a lot for my bunny. Anyway. So let's open it here and bring it into its new flashy crib. And if you want to get the bunny off your head, you just go up, right click it again, and it is off. And your bunny, or my bunny right here, is there. Now, my little Mr. Sniffles is too young to produce offspring, because he's just a little baby. Just go on with it. So yeah. I'm gonna make it stay there somehow. There you go. Shiny Mr. Sniffles. I think it likes it. Hopefully. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'll bring you more Mr. Sniffles videos. Thank you, and yeah. Now, once again, I know it's not a tutorial, but if you have any questions, tutorial requests, you can email me at minecraftgal707@gmail.com. No spaces, no capitals. Once again, minecraftgal707@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry, Alfred, that you didn't really get a goat crib. Maybe later, if, yeah. Okay, bye.